Good morning, students. Today our topic is addition and subtraction by estimation. Estimation means rounding off given numbers. First of all, we will round off the given numbers and then we will find their sum and difference. So let us start with the help of an example. Our first example is, here are two given numbers that are 5326 and our second number is 3463. Now we want to round off these two numbers to nearest 100 and then we will find their sum. So let us start. Now these are 4-digit number. So first of all we will write their places: ones place, tens place, hundred place and then thousand place. Now we will round off these two numbers to nearest 100. So there are mainly 4 steps for this. First of all, find the place which you want to round off. In this example we want to round off 100 place. So here are two digits 3 and 4 at 100 place which we want to round off. Now second step, observe the digit on right side of rounding off place. In this example here is 2 on right side of 3 and here is 6 on right side of 4. If these digits are greater than or equal to 5, then we will add 1 to the rounding off place. If it is less than 5, then there will be no change at rounding off place. In this example, here is 2 on right side of 3 which is less than 5. So 3 will remain unchanged. So I will write here 3. Now in 3463, here is 6 on right side of 4 which is greater than 5. So 4 will increase by 1s and it will become 5. So I will write here 5. Now our third step is replace all the digit on right side of rounding off place by zeros. Here is 100 place which we want to round off. So all the digit at tens place and ones place will replace by zeros. So here I will put 2 zeros and here I will put 2 zeros. Our fourth step is all the digit on left side of rounding off digit will remain unchanged. Here 100 place which we want to round off, so all the digit on 1000 place will remain unchanged. So 5 and 3 will remain unchanged. So these two numbers are the numbers which we find out after estimation. So when we round off the number 5326 by 100, then we get 5300, and by rounding off to nearest 100 to 3463 we will get 3500. Now we will find their sum. So put a sign of plus here. Now start doing addition from right side. At ones place 0, 0 plus 0, at tens place again 0, at 100 place 5 plus 3 8, and at 1000 place 5 plus 3 again 8. So our answer is 8800. Now look at another example, second example. Now we will round off the given numbers to nearest 1000 and then we will find their difference. We will subtract the given numbers. So let us start. Here two given numbers are 8243 and second number is 5635. Now we will round off these numbers to nearest 1000. So these are 4-digit numbers. So write here 4 places: ones place, tens place, 100 place and then 1000 place. Now for rounding off 8243 and 5635. First step is find the place which you want to round off. We want to round off 1000 place. So these are 2 digits which we want to round off, 8 and 5. Now second step, observe the digit on right side of rounding off place. Here is 2 on right side of 8, which is less than 5. So 8 will remain unchanged. So I will write here 8. Now here is 6 on right side of 5, which is greater than 5. So this place will increase by ones and 5 will become 6. Now our third step, replace all the digit on right side of rounding place by zeros. Here is 1000 which we want to round off. So all the digit at 100, tens and ones place will replace by zeros. So I will put here 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2, 3. So this is our third step. Now there is no digit on left side of rounding off place. So our rounding off is complete. So when we round off 8243, we get 8000, and when we round off 5635 to nearest thousand, then we will get 6000. Now we will find difference. Difference means minus, subtraction. So put a sign of minus here. Now start doing subtraction from ones place, that side. 0 minus 0, 0. At tens place again 0 minus 0. At 100 place again 0 minus 0. And 1000 place 8 minus 6, 2. So our answer is 2000. Now let us discuss third example. In this we will round off to nearest 100 and then we will find their difference. So let us start. Here are two given numbers, 7265. Our second number is 5230. These are again 4-digit numbers. So first of all we will round off these numbers. So right here places, ones place, tens place, 100 place and then 1000 place. So start doing estimation. First of all, which place we want to round off? We want to round off 100 place. Here are 2 and 2 at 100 place, which we want to round off. Second step, observe the digit on right side of rounding off place. Here is 6 on right side of 2, which is greater than 5. So 2 will increase by ones and it will become 3. And here is 3 on right side of 2, which is less than 5. So 2 will remain unchanged. So I will write here again 2. Now our third step, replace all the digit on right side of rounding off place by zeros. Here is 100 place, so which we want to round off. So all the digit on tens place and ones place will replace by zeros. So put here 2 zeros and again put here 2 zeros. Our fourth step, our last step is all the digit on left side of rounding off place will remain unchanged. So 100 is the place which we want to round off. So all the digit on 1000 place will remain unchanged. So 7 will remain 7 and 5 will remain 5. There will be no change at 1000 place. Now when we round off 7265 by 100, then it will become 7300. And when we will round off 5230 by 100, then it will change into 5200. Now we want to find their difference. Difference means subtraction. So put a sign of minus here. Now we will subtract these two numbers. So let us start doing subtraction place wise. So start with ones place right side, 0 minus 0, 0. Now move to tens place, again 0 minus 0, 0. Now tens place is complete. Move to 100 place, 3 minus 2, 1. Now move to 1000 place, 7 minus 5, 2. So when we subtract these two numbers, we get 2100. You already know how to subtract two numbers. We have already discussed in our previous lecture. So in this way we can easily estimate the given numbers and then can find their sum and difference accordingly.